Ashimary hair, honey. Do y'all see this? Guys, so this is the final look of this unit, guys. Shout out to Ashimary here for sponsoring today's video, guys. Very pretty. So this is their 13x6 water wave unit, guys. This unit is 26 inches long. I showed you guys the unboxing and everything in this video today, guys. I will show you guys the install part after. This hair video today is very simple, guys. I did go ahead and do a basic glue down on this unit. Now this is the water wave texture. As you guys can see, the hair is freaking gorgeous AF, guys. Look how pretty water wave this is. Now this honestly is a large 13x6 cap, guys. The hair basically stops, the lace stops about all the way back here, so you get a lot of parting space. And on this unit, guys, the lace is already pre-done, so you don't have to bleach this unit, you don't have to tweeze this unit. It comes prepared for you. So I did a simple install, guys, using the Even Wonder Lace, the black glue, and I also did top it off with the melting spray as well from Even Wonder Lace. I will leave those products down below, guys, on my Amazon storefront. Make sure you guys go ahead and click the link down below. So I did go ahead and use 3 products as far as styling. You guys know I always do the same thing. So I saturated the hair with water. I went in with some of the African Pride leave-in cream along with the African Pride rose water and argan oil curling mousse. So I use these 2 products to achieve the kind of like set look that you guys see right here. And if it's just a little bit frizzier, you get a little bit of frizziness, I just use a little bit of the leave-in and just put it on the hair. So this is what the hair looks like once it's completely air dried. It's completely styled. Very pretty, guys. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. The 26 inches is the perfect inch. I am going on a trip soon, so I think this will be a nice unit just to wear on the trip, going on the trip, and then, you know, switching it off, because you guys know sometimes the glue just don't be holding down. But with this unit, what I would do is go ahead and add an adjustable strap on this unit just to make it very more tighter. I felt like I got like a little buckling in the lace, but that's just because I have to customize the ear tabs, which I will show you guys in this video today how to customize it. But this is a nice 13x6, guys. They did a really good job on this one. And like I said, the lace is super impeccable, guys. The unit looks very pretty, natural, and just giving all the vibes. I feel like this one came out really nice. This is my second hair review with this company, guys, and I felt like the first one was just chef's kiss. I absolutely love that long style unit, guys. Water wave is actually one of my favorite textures. It's between like curly and water wave, but I feel like for the perfect type of curl pattern, water wave does it for me, guys. Very nice. I love the fact that the frontal part, or the closure, or the 13x6 part, is actually the same texture as a curl, so you guys can see that everything goes in. Obviously the frontal area is a little bit shorter, but it just blends really nicely to give you like a little bit of a layered look. So yeah, so that's basically it for today's hair video, guys. You guys can see the unit is very nice, natural, and simple. Definitely a nice little vacation style if you're going somewhere for the tropical winter season for Christmas. Like I said, I'm going away next week, so this might be one of the units I wear to install for my departure. So I'll leave all the information down below, guys, including a coupon code. Make sure you guys watch the rest of this video for the install to see how I really slay this unit, guys. And hopefully you guys enjoy this one, and happy holidays.